Wonderful good day, ladies and gentlemen, to the company update of Victoria Gold on Commodity TV. Like many major gold producers such as Barrick Gold, Victoria Gold's first quarter of 2024 was unfortunately somewhat worse than analysts had expected. Accordingly, the share fell after the announcement before regaining relative strength in recent days. In the first quarter, less was mined overall compared to the previous year, meaning less ore was mined. The ore-to-waste ratio was higher, less ore with a lower grade was stacked, and therefore less gold was produced and sold on balance. In the first 3 months, as ended 31st March, the Eagle Gold Mine produced 29,580 ounces gold compared to 37,619 ounces of gold in the first quarter last year. The 21% decrease in gold production is due to lower grades associated with the mine sequencing of the Eagle ore body, the timing of stacked tons entering the leach pad, and lower than planned stacking rates. In the first quarter, the company recorded revenue of $82.9 million compared to $96.5 million in the same period last year. The decrease in revenue is due to the lower number of gold ounces sold, partially offset by a higher average realization price. Revenue is net of treatment and refining charges, which amounted to $300,000 for the 3 months ended 31st March. The company sold 30,491 ounces of gold at an average realized price of $2,019 compared to 38,201 ounces at an average realized price of $1,867 in the first quarter last year. At 31st March, the company had cash and cash equivalents of 28.5 million Canadian dollars and a working capital surplus of 148 million Canadian dollars. The year-on-year increase in cash and cash equivalents of 13.5 million Canadian is attributable to operating activities, primarily from operating cash flow before working capital adjustments. Despite a weaker first quarter, the outlook remains unchanged. This means that the production and cost guidance for 2024 is unchanged from the original estimate published in February 2024. Production at the Eagle Gold Mine for this year is therefore estimated at 165,000 to 185,000 ounces. The AISC are estimated at $1,450 to $1,650 per ounce of gold sold. Also, gold production was below target in the first quarter. Victoria Gold was still able to generate positive free cash flow before and after working capital adjustments. Higher gold grades and stacked ore tonnages are expected to result in higher gold production, earnings, profits, and cash flows by the end of 2024. The gold production at Victoria Gold in the Yukon remains challenging, but particularly in the early part of the year. Nevertheless, the management has proven many times in the past how to successfully deal with these challenges. The management is top-notch, production is robust, and the continued high gold price will also have a positive impact on the operating result in the coming quarters. Victoria Gold is a gold producer with high gold price leverage. As expected, the point-and-figure chart has turned and initiated a rising reversal formation. The next price target for the share is 11 Canadian dollars and then 14 to 15 Canadian dollars. H.C. Wainwright even has raised the price target to 19 Canadian dollars, which we would also fully subscribe. You can also find all the information on our Commodity TV app in German and English, as well as everything to do with commodities. We look forward to your like, and more importantly, please subscribe to our TV channel. Please note the disclaimer: the stock is part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate, and I'm a shareholder. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.